Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Lennar Mortgage account online. Logging in and accessing your Lennar Mortgage account is a quick and a straightforward step. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Start off by open a preferred web browser and in the URL box type in lennarmortgage.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will now take you to the official website for Lennar Mortgage. From the main homepage, click on Login at the top right corner and click on Manage your loan application. Now, you will end up in the login interface on a new tab. Type in your username associated with your account in the first tab. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password or your username, click on the Forgot Your Username or Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in both of your credentials, click on Login and you will then be able to log into your Lennar Mortgage account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.